Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This time I have 5 stars that you can customize, and this template you can download on my blog. A link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, open FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Take stars set number 1 and then ungroup. Once you have it open like this, connect this merge to the media out, and then you will get 5 big nodes, and these are completed stars. All these 5, and all you have to do is connect like this, and then you will get the effect of star. Go inside the background here and choose the black background, and now you will see the stars. This star, obviously you can change it. You can change intensity. This is to turn off, and then you can play around this one. These eclipses you can enlarge or shrink how you want it. Color, you change in this background. As you can see, you can choose whatever color you want: light blue, red, yellow, green. And then the same thing is for the other one. Just connect, and then choose the color. Intensity you can also change here. So just enlarge the background to, for example, 25, and light will be much brighter. Or you can reduce to 15, then it will be smaller. Okay, next one is connect. Just connect and the same thing here. The first background for the star color, and you can just play around with this glow, and then you will get many different effects. Connect the other one here. As you can see, change the color, and then for this eclipse you can disconnect, and then it will show you only without this mask. You can enlarge, shrink. Then next one, and this is the last one. I think this is the biggest. Again, this you can change. If you want more effect, you can just copy and paste just like this, and when we make it a little smaller, then you will have 3 rings. You can just add eclipses, and you will have more and more rings. Color, same as the other ones. The background, change the color: blue, red, green, yellow, whatever you want. And then you can use a particle emitter for the small stars, random stars, and then you can make some universe or something. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.